Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to print an Excel spreadsheet. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So to print an Excel spreadsheet, first of all you have to select the print area that you want to print. Okay, so let's suppose that if I wanted to print these names here, I will just select these names here, okay, like this one. And in the page layout tab, I will just click on this print area option and I will click on this set print area. And now if I wanted to print like this on just one page, I will select on this icon here in this page setup option, and I will fit it to one. So one mean this will be on the one page. Okay, and now let's suppose if then from here you can basically select the page size. So if I wanted to print this on A4, I will just select on A4 because A4 is mostly used. And then you can basically choose the page orientation as well. So if I want to print this in portrait or landscape, then you will click on OK here, and then you will press Ctrl plus P from your keyboard. Okay, so this is the shortcut. So press Ctrl plus P, and here you can see the preview of your document, and here then you have multiple settings here. Okay, so first of all you can basically, if you have a printer connected with your PC, then it will be shown here. Okay, and then here you can just tell that how many sheets, how many active sheets or how many Excel sheets you want to print. Okay, and then here you can basically select the orientation. So there are two, like portrait or landscape, and you can select the page size here as well. And if you want, you can basically add custom margins as well. Okay, so and then you just click on this print option here, and then your Excel sheet will be printed on an A4 page. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.